Hey guys, just wanted to put this video together for you real quick regarding attribute dialogues. When you click on a block in AutoCAD that has attribute values in it, you double click it, you're going to get this dialog that pops up that has all the different attributes that are in that block that you can edit. In this case, this is the view title for my sheet. I want to edit this to put whatever text in there I need. I got to jump through this dialog box. A lot faster way is to edit this in place, and it's really simple to do. You hold your control key down and then double click, and it jumps you right into the editor version of that attribute text field. And that works on any block that has an attribute. This is a view title. I can do the same thing. Say I want to change this number from 2 to 1. Rather than going through the dialog box, I can just control double click and go through there. Here I got to change this to caps. It's a lot faster. Well, it's faster if I actually have my caps lock on. So yeah, that's the quick tip of the week. Control button, direct entry for attributes versus not control button. Wait for the dialog to come up, and then you have to click through. A little bit of time saver, and I think it can help you guys out. I use this quite a bit. Thank you.